to my channel. I am so glad that you guys are back here again with me one more day. We are getting some remnants of flow here. So we are getting some rain all day. I'm looking out my window here in Atlanta. We're getting some of the bands, but obviously nothing as horrific as what has been happening in North and South Carolina. So to those folks, our thoughts and prayers are with you. I hope that you guys are, getting the necessities that you guys need, and all the support is in place for food and power and all of that. So again, we're getting some, but nowhere near where those folks have been, dealing with, and as far as flooding and everything like that is concerned. Okay, so moving on, we are going to be talking about a very interesting oil that I've gotten some feedback and some comments and some questions about this oil, and I wanted to address it and have an exclusive video just on this oil, because that way I don't have to go through a number of oils and spend a lot of time on here. The oil that I am talking about is called Marula Oil, and it comes from the southern regions of Africa. It is known for its potent antioxidants and anti-aging benefits and all of the wonderful nutrients that your skin needs to stay vital and strong. It is also good for your hair, so you can put small amounts in your hair and work it down your roots. I usually, what I do is when I put it on my hands or my face, whatever's left oil residue on my hand, I will go ahead and comb it through my hair nicely, just, for flyaways and things like that. You can get Marula oil, the price points vary. You'll have to look around in your stores to see. I know Drunk Elephant has a very expensive Marula oil that they are, selling for about $72 or something at Sephora. If you can afford it, if you want to go that route, that's fine. But you don't have to. There are a number of places that you can go ahead and pick up Marula oil for, substantially lower price. The one I have that I have been using is called is from A Cure. Hopefully this will come in the bottle. Come on, bottle, come in. Came in beautifully like a minute ago, but come on, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Anyway, there it goes. There you go. There it is. Oh, it's matching my my nails. Isn't that hilarious? The type there. But anyway, there it is. It's really, really good. And I paid probably about, I would say around $20 for this bottle here. It's a glass bottle, and it's about 1 fluid ounces or 30 mil. So you get plenty. You use very little amounts. This is like my second bottle for this year, so I've just kind of started my second bottle, and it takes forever to get through because I do cycle my oils. I don't just use one type of oil. You know me. I'll use like rosehip oil or vitamin E oil or jojoba oil, and then I'll incorporate this, in my cycle of oils. It's really good to do different oils on your skin, just so you get, you kind of cover your bases, as they say, so you get all the benefits and everything. But this is how it is. It's very watery. It's just a watery type of oil, and you'll see it run right down my hand there. You can see that, and but it does absorb into your skin beautifully and quickly. It does not just linger on your skin, and I do it all the way on my hand. I put it down as much as I can and up on my hands here, and then I give myself like a little finger massage too as I'm doing my hands. It's really good to get into those knuckles, and of course it's great for your cuticles too. So this is the time to just kind of like go to town with your fingers and get them in your cuticles and get all that beneficial oil into your hands, and it just immediately just goes right into your skin. You'll just see a nice luminosity, but it'll go right into your skin. And you can also obviously use it on your face. That's what I use it for a lot. I start on my face, and then whatever I have left, I'll put on my hands, or maybe I'll do one more little drop just for my hands and to get it, especially in the wintertime. It's wonderful. It goes right in. So that is that, that's the basics of it. Now, I do have one article here that I pulled up so that I can address just really quickly in a paragraph all of the benefits of marula oil and kind of like, where it's from and blah, blah, blah. God, my glasses are so messy. Ugh. Okay, I'll try to read this as quickly as I can. I'm going to scroll up here. 10 remarkable benefits of marula oil for skin and hair. This is off of naturallivingideas.com, and I'll leave the website here so you guys can go up there. And they talk about a lot of, these are all like natural oils. They talk about essential oils, natural home remedies, health, stuff like that. So it's a really good website to just kind of look up information when you need it. All right. And it says here, if you're like most people, you've probably never even heard about marula oil, but this wondrous oil, considered by some to be the elixir of youth, is definitely one you'll want to know more about. It's a fruit native to the southern region of Africa and has been harvested wild for centuries, used as a natural remedy for healing and a wide range of conditions. You can also use this as ingestible oil, so kind of like an olive oil or a coconut oil. This has benefits for internal as well as external benefits. And it's extracted from the nuts of the marula tree. It's a rare oil and it has a fragrant floral nutty aroma along with powerful properties, including protective antioxidants. In fact, while it is similar to the much more famous Moroccan argan oil, it actually contains 60% more antioxidants, so even more beneficial to you than the argan oil is, although argan oil is fabulous too. It has been a part of the diet of South Africa, and they mentioned Zimbabwe and Mozambique, and it's used to preserve meats and a variety of cooking purposes. I won't go into that, so you can look that up. And they talk about the Western world has just begun to discover the oil and its many benefits. Let's see, It's used kind of in conjunction with coconut oil and argan oil, as they mentioned before. And it says it's becoming a key ingredient in beauty products. You'll find that it's light in texture, super fast absorbing, loaded with nutrients and fatty acids that fight environmental damage, and incredibly hydrating. That is true. I mean, I use it a lot for the winter, fall months. That's why I'm kind of talking about it now, because I'm kind of pulling it out of my arsenal now for the coming months. I know, it's starting to cool. It's going to be starting to cool off, although it's very hot here still. But in the next month or so, it's starting to be, windy and cold and stuff. And we're going to definitely need it. So moving on here. So number one, protective against environmental damage. Number of candles on your birthday, blah, blah, blah. It's just talking about aggressors that harm your skin and the free radicals that are around in our environment. Apparently, marula oil does a lot for that. I don't know why I'm going in and out of, it's doing one of these, but that's okay. If you see me, good. If not, whatever. You'll hear my voice at least talking about it. So it's really good for an anti-radical. And it says here that it helps with chronic skin inflammation at a cellular level. That irritation can lead to collagen and elastin breaking down in the skin, which increases the appearance of age spots, wrinkles, and fine lines, as well as leaving your skin dehydrated, rough, and dull. Applying sunscreen is not enough, blah, blah, blah. It goes on to all of that. And it just says that, again, here it says for harsh, cold wind, pollution, etc., marula oil is absolutely beneficial for that, and it plays an active role in making sure that all of these internal and external elements that are attacking your skin, they are being, it's like a barrier, it's being protected. Okay. Preventive of stretch marks and reducing appearance of scars. Now, I don't have really any scars or stretch marks that I can talk about. If you do have any of those type of things, you do want to, especially if you're getting stretch marks during pregnancy, you do want to check with your physician before applying any oils or anything like that on your stretch marks, on your stomach or anything, because of the absorbency of this oil into, your skin. You want to make sure that it's okay for your baby to, to be around this type of oil. So always make sure with your doctor. But apparently for other stretch marks, it's okay. It heals and prevents skin disorders like eczema. So apparently this oil will benefit you, as a barrier again for the skin. It says many store-bought products contain parabens and I can't ever pronounce that word, phthalates that can wreak havoc with the hormonal system. Avoiding these is the utmost importance. And then there are artificial fragrances and chemicals that might irritate your skin. But this product, obviously, and it's got omega-6 fatty acids, it can help reduce eczema symptoms. So the fatty acids in the marula oil are very beneficial for eczema. Again, consult with your dermatologist or your doctor before you go slathering it on your skin. But if you do have some flare-ups, you might want to pass this by your dermatologist and say, hey, is it okay if I use some marula oil, on my skin? And it also softens your skin. Great for all skin types. It says from dry or oily to normal or sensitive skin. Surprisingly, marula oil is great for all skin types as it's rich in oleic acid, which is a must for beautiful, healthy skin. It's naturally soothing, fast absorbing without clogging pores, and never leaves that annoying greasy residue. It actually helps to balance moisture levels, whether you use it on its own or as adding a few drops into your favorite products. It helps to lock in moisture without leaving a thick residue. At the same time, it has the ability to battle free radicals that can threaten the health of your skin. So absolutely for moisturizing. And again, that's why I pull it out for the fall, and winter months. Of course, it is chock full of omega oils and fatty acids for anti-aging. So it discusses all of that. It supposedly is beneficial to fighting acne because of its potent hydrating and antimicrobial properties. Applying marula oil to problem areas of the skin can help reduce the size and appearance of all types of blemishes. Plus, if you have acne scars, it can help diminish their appearance as well. Again, check with your dermatologist, but it can't hurt. Is what they're saying. It's great for chapped lips. Again, in the winter months, you just put a little on your lips like that, and you'll get really good stuff. It's great for your hair. Again, for your hair follicles. It's great for all hair types. Do you hear that? That's Flame yowling away. It protects the hair from elements, whether it's the heat from your curling iron, the harsh UV rays of the sun, or cold winds. The oil coats the strands of hair to guard against both environmental damage and styling elements due to its ultra-protective shield of essential nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants like vitamin E, essential amino acids, and flavonoids, which are all well known for being outstanding for cell renewal and regeneration. It nourishes everything from the ends of your hair to your scalp, assisting in moisture retention while restoring the health of the hair due to that impressive list of antioxidants. So again, this is why any remainder that is on my hands, I go ahead and work my way through my hair strands, and it just keeps it all nourishing and flowing and blah blah blah, especially for the winter months. Treating brittle nails. You see, I'm not telling you anything bad. This is talking about brittle nails. If you go ahead and massage your nail beds with the marula oil, it says it has beneficial nutrients. If your nails are prone to breaking and cracking, this is the oil for you. It moisturizes, nourishing effects help to treat them so that they can be strong again. Simply apply the oil regularly to both your hands and nails. The quick absorbing active ingredients will not only leave your hand baby soft, but works to fortify brittle, fragile nails while moisturizing the cuticles too. And then it goes into where to buy, Marula oil. Obviously, you can buy it at your health food store. You can buy it at probably Whole Foods. I'm sure. I know that they have it there. I'm not sure. It might have been Whole Foods that I actually bought this Acure bottle at. I'm not 100% sure because like I said, this is like my second bottle that I've had so far. And I know my light is dying, guys. I have to put new batteries in my little light there. But I have bought this at a number of places. It's not so prime time that it's not available anywhere. You can certainly get it on health websites. I'm sure Vitacost has it. I'm sure a number of the vitamin and health related websites have it. Like I said, Drunk Elephant has it for like $72 at Sephora. So if you want to indulge yourself and want to get the purest of the pure and blah blah blah, I don't know what Drunk Elephant has in there. I don't know if they have any extra added ingredients. I'm not familiar with them. You might want to leave a comment below for others. If you have tried the Drunk Elephant Marula oil, you can go ahead and certainly talk about that. I just know, the basic ones here. I've spent, like I said, about $20 on mine. And I have no ill effects. I think it's a wonderful oil. I use it, like I said, all throughout. So I've never had any issues with this oil, doing anything. I'm going to put this up here a little bit just to have a little extra brightness here. Okay, so that was it. That's all I wanted to talk to you guys about today. And again, I hope that you're doing well out there. And I don't know if this is going to hit during the week or whatever, but if it does, have a wonderful week out there, and go ahead and pay it forward to someone and be beneficial to someone, because that's what it's all about. And please go ahead and give this video a few thumbs. Thumbs don't hurt anybody. And go ahead and share it around to your friends, especially if anyone wants to get some information about Marula oil. Go ahead and share this video. As long as you link back to me, you can most certainly go ahead and put it on your blogs and vlogs or whatever it is that you talk about. Obviously I need credit for where credit is due about talking about this, but yeah, make sure that you go ahead and share this information to anybody that needs to know. I love you guys very much. Please subscribe as always, and yeah, just take care of life, and it is what it is. My foot's getting better, if you need to know that. So that's going well. So I'm thank goodness, just taking it easy and hobbling around still a little bit, but each day I'm getting stronger. So that's a blessing. That is certainly a blessing. Anyway, I love you guys. Keep well, and I will see you in my next video shortly. Bye.